Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Mico account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open Mico application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner. Tap on account and security on the first row. Tap on more. Tap on delete account. Select a reason for deleting the account. Here I am going to select a random one. And finally tap on delete account. And if you are sure, then tap on delete the account once again. In order to receive the verification code on your phone number, tap on send. You can either receive it by WhatsApp or your phone. Here I am going to select WhatsApp. Once you receive the code, simply enter it. Then finally tap on verify. Tap on request deletion. Tap on confirm. And that is how you can easily delete Mico account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.